Hey, hello. Assalamualaikum. I hope you are well. You first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. I will telling about the internet audit system and findings name. Please, you can tell me what's these findings names. It's a most important system in garments industries. Anyone people know this findings name? Please continue these videos. I will telling these findings names. Any garments industries is this most important visiting these technical audits. But technical audits find out these many different issues findings. But similar way working system is a QMS team and internal audit team is product safety team. Individually, QMS team and product safety team find out these findings. These findings name is many bobbin and swing thread colors in similar cartoon. Similar cartoon is many counts and others buyers swing thread. Find out this similar cartoon or boxes. I hope you understand this. So it's a most important and critical processing systems. When an operator attaching this swing thread, he is no more to and another buyer. Swing thread is attaching this another buyer garments. It's a swing thread mistake system, is color trading systems, is very different issues find out these garments. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much watching these videos.